Supplier payments. A supplier payment, also known as a vendor payment, is the process of paying a supplier for goods or services that have been received and invoiced. Accounting entries for supplier payment is debit, trade payables, credit, bank. You can enter supplier payments from Supplier module, go to Suppliers, Transactions, Supplier Payments. Click Add Supplier Payment. You can select your supplier. After you select the supplier, you can view supplier balance and unpaid invoices. You can enter payment details. Document number will set from the system. You can set from company, change company settings, and document and statement section. You can set this document number. You can enter payment amount. You can enter reference. If you are paying by check, you can enter check number. Or if you are doing the supplier payment from a bank transfer, you can enter transfer name or transfer reference number. You can select the payment bank account. When you are creating bank account, if you have set any default bank account, it will display here. If you want, you can change the bank account. You can enter description and comments for this supplier payment. You can select the date and select payment method. There are 4 payment methods: cash, check, credit card, EFT, electronic fund transfer. If you are using analysis code, you can select analysis code. Next, you can select paying invoices. You can enter payment amount here, or you can select paying invoices, then system will calculate the total. If you are paying partial payment, you can enter that amount. And also, if supplier giving discount in addition to the supplier invoice, you can enter those discount here. In addition to that, when you are creating supplier, you can select this auto allocate payments to oldest invoice. If you have checked this option, when you enter payment amount, system will automatically allocate this amount to oldest invoices. We'll check this. We'll check this and save. We'll enter supplier payment. Select the supplier. Now you can see when you enter payment amount, system will automatically allocate to oldest invoices. You can process this supplier payment. If you want, you can print or email supplier invoice, supplier payment. In addition to that, you can go to transactions, supplier invoices. By clicking these actions, you can enter the supplier payment. You can select the supplier invoice and select create payment. Then system has selected that supplier. Enter payment amount, select the supplier invoice. You need to enter only supplier payment reference. After that, you can process. Like that, you can enter supplier payments.